I'm real glad to shut my office door. Hi guys, I'm playing Chipper and Sons Lumber Company. We're gonna make a new game, slot 1. Okay, well, little tyke, the day has come. No, not the being of summer or coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry ear. By the time I was your age, I was out building dams, cutting trees, and blowing up termite mounds. The war with the termites has scared us all. Famine, disease, death. You don't know what famine is? Starving. None of those things have happened, but it still sounded pretty awful, doesn't it? And our character is looking very creepily towards us, and Chipper is laughing. It might happen if a meteor were to hit, so never trust a termite. They might have a meteor. Now, get out there and make me proud. I'm giving you a whole acre of land to the right of our cabin. Plant trees, cut trees, build stuff, the whole beaver routine. You will get the hang of it. Show me what you can do, and I'll give you more land and more blueprints to build cooler stuff. Go to the right of the cabin to see your acre of land. Go to the left to visit the other weirdos, or creatures of the forest. I'll give you the walkie-talkie so I can stay in touch with you. Press the button if you see it flashing. Off you go. We got an acre of land and plans. Okay, this game starts out very nice. Okay, I guess you move with the arrows. What the heck is happening? Ah! What's that? Dad, why aren't you helping me? Do not try to understand what's happening, okay? You are transcending time and space, something no beaver has done before. I am the strange traveler. I have taken this form so that you can comprehend my existence. Although we will journey for what seems like only a few moments to you, many days will have passed where you came from. I will leave you now, furry one. Remember what you have seen. I will return to pass through this galaxy again. Okay, that's a rare occurrence that happened really fast. And my character's completely fine with it. Okay, task. Why don't you try cutting down a tree and chomp it down? Okay, there's an arrow pointing over here. Oh, so do I hit the axe? Okay. Oh my gosh, I ate it. I ate the tree. Should I collect these? I'm just gonna let them. Okay. After you gather a bit more, bring it back to me and I'll make lumber for you. Oh, what the heck? Kill it! Kill it! Oh, you kill it with the water. This is fun. Oh, candle box. Okay. Let's kill another tree. Eat another tree. Delicious. Now, we're going to finish off the episode by getting wood, okay? Welcome back, kiddo. If you bring me wood, then that you gather, then I'll be getting to lumber. Okay, common wood. Oh, I get it. Great job. Why don't you try planting this tree somehow? Soil, okay. Okay, let's plant a tree. No, wait, there should be some soil over there. I thought I saw something. Oh, kill it. Yeah. Okay, I got a hippo jar. That's weird. Okay. Oh, I planted one. Okay, this is all I'm doing for today. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll play it again. Bye-bye.